Alright, good morning everyone. It's Dave back here at the field. Absolutely beautiful morning. Look at that sunrise over there. There's a beautiful red sun coming up through the little clouds. Flag over there is super calm. Got the second flight of the Phoenix Dolphin. This has got a 3300 6S pack we'll be using. Next flight on it today will be a 4000 pack. This is flight number 2, coming out on low rates on aileron and mid rates on everything else. It's got about a right at a 60-inch wingspan, I think. I don't know, could be wrong, could be 56, 57. I'll get a measurement on it, maybe put it in the notes. This plane's a heavy one. It's about 7.5 pounds. We're up and away. Get down here to the end of the field. Sorry about the bouncing. Slow pass. I trimmed this out fairly well. There's a high-speed pass. Ooh, something broke loose. I'm gonna dead stick it in. The motor fell off. The motor fell off of it. The motor mount broke. Yeah. Yeah, me too. I tried to dead stick it in. It was doing okay, but looks like that motor propeller hit as it came in and bit into the ground.
Is that wet out there? What is that?
It looks like standing water.
Oh, great.
Yeah. I don't like going out on the field when it says soppy, you know, because you could sink down into it. So I'm going to stay over here in this rough part so we don't damage it. Yeah, that motor I seen when it was coming in on the dead stick, it was just hanging off of the firewall.
I figured you lost your prop. It's good so far.
Hold that. Yeah, you can see right here where when it was dead sticking in, the motor hanging down dug into the turf.
You fixed it. Looks good.
Cause it to flip up. Try to do some turf repair here. Oh wow, that busted it out good.
It did, yeah. Oh, they didn't fix it.
Huh?
Okay. Usually I put. Have you ever used nylon and epoxy?
Did I ever use? No, I didn't build this. This is I bought it this way.
Makes it super strong and on a corner, like where that motor mount is.
I think what the problem was, there's just too much torque on this motor, and it looks like the person put just super glue, or you know.
Yeah.
I don't see epoxy residue on the motor mount on the back side of it. Well, that's a shame.
It's having too much stuff with a fix and foam.
It's gonna what?
I said it's not gonna be too much tougher to fix than foam. On that, it's not the wing. And then wait for fuel swage. Yeah.
Yeah, it's busted it out pretty good all across the bottom, everything like that. The fuse itself is okay.
Yeah.
Just lost the motor mount. Well, that's no bueno.